Building with Papa. Okay, this is from Fitnation. It's called the Flex Express. I bought this for my wife, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. We start with unpacking it. We'll briefly look at the instructions, and I'll show you step by step. Okay, that looks like everything. Now we're going to start to put it together.
Yeah, it even gives us some batteries. Great. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do the feet first. Whoops. No, they're not exactly the same. One has wheels and the other one doesn't. Okay. Okay, so the one with the rollers is the front foot. Go ahead and take your nuts and washers off. The other one was already off. Make sure they're in there properly. And then this is the front. Okay? This is the front. Put your washer on. Now they're bent, so you want it to go on and stay on the curve. Okay, when you put the front one on, make sure you have the rollers towards the front so that when you stand it up, the feet will be hitting the floor, not the rollers. When you fold it up to put it away, you'll tilt it forward and then it'll move on the rollers to be able to put it away. I had to turn it around. All right, let me tighten this up. All right, when you're doing the back ones, go ahead and get the washers and the nuts off, but the feet are the same, so there's no particular direction the back one has to go on. All right, get them nice and tight. Okay, now once you have all of them nice and tight, started with the feet, then we're going to go to the seat. Okay. All right, now she moves. Okay, get it in place where you want it. This is just temporary. And then you'll see with the wheels, when you move it forward, all right, well, we'll sign it. Okay, all right, now we do the seat. Can't put that on wrong. And they have lock nuts. So when you tighten these down, they're going to lock in place. All right, get them all on and tighten them up. All right. Then you have to unscrew this all the way. Slide this in to the desired spot and then screw it back in. Okay. Okay, we did the feet, the seat. Now we're doing the backrest. Got to take these out. And it needs to go in here. Okay, get them through. Okay, same thing, get them all tightened up. Okay, now that you have that tightened up, we got to put this bar on, which goes underneath here. Put the handles up so you have something to go on. Don't forget your washers. Put your washer on the proper way. One way is bent. And then they screw right into the threaded piece right there. Get both of them in, tighten them up. Okay, they give you an Allen key. Get them tightened all the way. All right, now we're going to do the backrest. Okay, here's the backrest. I'm going to put this part down. Probably doesn't matter, but just seems like it would be the right way to do it. Okay. Use the same Allen key. Okay. All right, next we're going to mount the handlebars. All right, you got to take these all out. There's 4 of them. Take them all out. Okay, once you have them all out, you see that it slips right in. And now you have to put them back in. Bring it up a little. Just get them started with your hand first. Then go around and get them all tightened up good and tight. This is the area you're going to be pulling and yanking on. So you want to make sure that everything's in here nice and tight. Okay, now that you have all 4 on, they're not tight yet. Get it to where you want it, okay? Whether it be down, up, it doesn't move a lot, but you want to make sure you get it to where you want it. Okay, if you're trying to tilt them up, I would tighten the front first. I tried there we go. Get the front where you want it first. And not really tight, just snug it up. Then get the back tight. Yeah, there you go. Okay, starting to come together. It's looking good. Okay, now I'm gonna put on the computer. Okay. All right, it's got the screws on the back. Battery go here. The 1 Allen key has a Phillips head on it, so you can then unscrew all these. All right, once you have them all unscrewed, put it on here. All right, the easiest way I figured to get a start, get the Phillips head on there, bring it up to where you can see the silver part. Get it started. That seemed to work the easiest. Do the same thing over here. Okay. Okay, then you have two in the back. All right, once you're all tightened up, open up the battery slot. Okay, the minus end goes on the spring, plus end in, minus end on the spring, and you hear a tone. Close it up, plug in your sensor. All right, counterclockwise. Peaches over here hanging out. Okay, once you have that all the way on, then this one is going to go clockwise, the right one. And they're marked of which is left and which is right. Of course, I'm doing it backwards, but it's this way. And now we do the straps. Okay. You have to adjust them once you get them on, or once you figure out what you're going to wear when you do it. Okay, so slip it under. Under, then over. It's a little tough putting them on the first time. Okay. They're a little tough to put on, but we got them. And has this dial, tension control. That's the lowest, highest. Okay, these, well, time, set, all right. Well, that's it. That's putting it together, and I think it came out pretty well. My wife wanted this, so I got it for her, and wanted to show you how to put it together. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one. I think she's going to like this. I might even use it. We'll see how it goes. All right.